Power if you don't know me. And today I'm going to show you how you can make money online step by step. So if you want to make money online as an e-commerce or somebody who is doing dropshipping or print on demand online, you need to watch this video to the end. If you are interested in this way or in this model of making money online, you need to watch this video to the end, and I will show you step by step how you can start making money without a website, without you asking people to create website for you. All you just need to do is just apply this strategy I'm going to show you, and you will make money with this method. So what are we going to do up next? So before we get started, don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel, and thank you very much if you do that. Comment if you have any question, and thank you very much. So let's get started. So this is the website, the first website we are going to use, or you are going to use to make money online, is Teespring. Teespring is a print on demand website that you can go and create your design, and people will pay you for doing that. Let me say, for example, you create a design for a t-shirt or a leggings or mug or anything at all in any category you want to create your t-shirt on. Let me say joggers, leggings, hoodies. Just come to Teespring, create the design of the you want to attach on the shirt or the t-shirt, and we attach it on the t-shirt, and you publish it on Teespring, and you start sending traffic to that particular t-shirt on Teespring, and you get paid for just doing that. So let me show you around Teespring so that you see how it works. As you can see here on the home page, they say commerce, not complicated. Teespring is a free end-to-end solution for your e-commerce business. Create and sell online. So it's true, like I just told you, you can create your business and start selling online without a website, without you hiring people to create anything or a landing page for you. Teespring will do everything for you for completely free. So all you just need to do is to apply your own strategy, and apply strategy of sending traffic to this particular product. So to create design or to create anything that concerns your product, Teespring will do everything for you. All you just need to do, you as the seller, what you need to do is to create a design for that hoodies you see on Teespring website. You create a design, you go to Teespring, attach the design of the hoodies or of the t-shirt that you want to sell. So once you attach the design, then you write a little bit short description about the design, and Teespring will do the marketing for you. All you just need to do is to create design, and Teespring will do the marketing for you, and you too can still do the marketing, like to sell it. And when anybody buy the product, you get paid on Teespring. So Teespring pay you on paper. Don't worry about the payment method. They pay you on paper. So you need to leave this area. No worry. All you just need to do, focus on how you can get more customer or send more traffic to that particular product. At the end of this video, I will show you a website, and I will show you a way that you can drive free traffic for completely free. You are paying nothing. So that is why I said you should watch this video to the end, so that you will know how everything works and how you can take advantage of this method. So to create your account, you just need to click get started. Once you click get started, it will take you to the session where you have to create your account. Just create your account. Once you create your normal account, then once you're on the dashboard, you will now see a session that say become a seller. You click on it, and you enter all your information and profile. You enter your payment option, and that is it. So once you have done that, enter your PayPal, email, and other information that they require from you, and you will now start creating your design and start uploading them on Teespring, and Teespring will advertise the product, and you can advertise the product too by yourself. That is what I will show you at the end of this video. You advertise the product by yourself and send traffic to the product, and you will get paid for doing that. So that is how it works. As you can see, this is Teespring, and you can see this is their design, the things that they have mug, and they have other designs of t-shirt that you can see here. They have hoodies, they have Adidas, they have any type of features of dress that you really are interested to do or interested to showcase to people. So you can create any type of design, as you can see on the screen here. So all you just need to do is to go and take action, just like I said on the first part. So to take action is very simple. I showed you everything. So all you just need to do is to go and take action. Taking action is whereby you create account on Teespring and start publishing your design, and people will pay you for doing that. So that is how it works. It's very simple and easy to do, and it's not something that you really need to have a lot of skills to do. You just need to start with your beginners method, so that you'll be able to make more money. So to start with the beginner method, that is what I will show you at the end of this video. So to start with nothing, zero, but you will make money at the end of the day. So that is how you can make money with Teespring. I will show you the second website that is similar like Teespring, that you can still use to make money by uploading a design, and people pay you for just doing this. There's a lot of companies that do it, but Teespring and this second website I'm going to show you, they are the best website that is really focused and is really engaged on this method. So Teespring, they will send your product to your customer very fast and quick, so don't worry about the time they send the product. They can do a refund, so they can do an exchange, like to return the product. Teespring is okay with that. They can return it, and Teespring will accept everything back. Their money will be sent to them, maybe if they have problem with the product. So we are going to go to the second website that you can use. It's two websites. So the second website is called Redbubble. Redbubble is a very simple website too that you can use to start making money, just like Teespring. So all you just do on Redbubble is to do the same thing like you do on all you just do on Redbubble is to do the same thing like you did on Teespring. So all you do here is to go and you create your account, select the design and the category of the design you want to use, and take action. So all you just need to do is to click the area that says sell your works, and you will now have the option of having your account, your profile created on Redbubble, and you will be able to start selling. To start selling on Redbubble is very simple. You can see they have a lot and a bunch of products that you can go and select and get paid. They have millions of products and design that people are uploading every day. So they have about 700 every day products are uploaded on Teespring. So there's a lot of people using Teespring. There's a lot of big third parties, they are using Teespring to sell their merchandise. So that is how it works, guys. You can do any type of design, full design, t-shirt, any type of thing. You can do it on Teespring. That is on you can do it on Redbubble. That is why I really like it. And you can do everything you can do, like on Shopify, on WordPress, like all those type of things. You can do everything here. All you just need to do is completely free. It's free. You are not paying anything. On Shopify, you are going to pay to create an e-commerce website. On WordPress, you are going to pay to create an e-commerce website. On Wix, you are going to pay to create your e-commerce website. So this is a completely free website that you can take advantage of for completely free. They only take some percentage from what you sell. So that is it, you know. So it's very simple. All you just need to do is to go and take action. Create your account on Redbubble and start selling any type of design of t-shirt. You can see those are the different type of designs of t-shirt. As you can see, there's a mug, there is t-shirt, there is a bag, there's a lot of things, accessories, and all. So all you just need to do is to go and take action. As you can see here, you can see this mug here, these designs of this image here. They are selling it for just $1. You can just purchase it if you want, and the owner that published that image will get paid. As you can see, this is a animal party, which is kind of entrepreneur banner that you can put on the background of your house or the background of your video, and you see the way it look, and the person is selling it $69. So all you just need to do is to come and start creating those type of designs. So all those designs I'm showing you is people that create it. There are people that create all those designs, and there's other people that pay them for just doing this design. So what are you waiting for? All you just need to do is to take action and start using Teespring and Redbubble to start making a huge amount of money online. So as you can see, all those designs you can see here, you can see this cup here. We can just click on it, and you can see that we can turn it around. We can turn the mug around. You can see everything. Anything you want to buy on Teespring, you can turn them around to make sure it's exactly what you want and take action. So I don't know what you are waiting for, but all I just want you to do is to go and take action on Redbubble or Teespring. Start selling merchandise for completely free. You are not paying anyone for doing this, but people are paying you for doing it for them. So why can't you just go and start doing this and start making money with it? One thing I love too is that they have everything set for you. Artist work, you can sell your artwork, you can sell any type of product, you can sell many things. You see, it say we guarantee responsibility, production and delivering. So it's guaranteed they will deliver your product to your customer. Artists earn money and you earn money. Unique product. So just go and take action, and you get paid for just doing that. It's a printed just for you. Order is printed on demand, then delivered to your door whenever you are, wherever you are. Secure payment, credit card, paper, software, and you choose your payment method. Choose any payment method you want. You can choose paper, you can choose software, you can choose anyone. Just choose anyone, and you can they will send the product to the customer. These details here just for the people that is buying product from Redbubble. It's not for you as a seller. They are just trying to explain to the people that is coming to visit Redbubble that is really ready and engaged to buy product from Redbubble. They are just trying to explain to them that they can return their product and they can pay with any type of payment method that they want or they are willing to. So as you can see, dedicated service. Question, contact us. We are available Monday to Friday, 8 a.m. to 7 p.m. So they are available to take care of your customer. So if you have a lot and a bunch of customers, and here you will see that they take advantage of 10% discount and great promotion on works by independent artists. So you can take action and start making your money today. And one thing I love too about Redbubble is that they have affiliate program. So if you click on affiliate at the bottom, go to the affiliate at the bottom of the website, which is the footage of the website. Click on affiliate. It will take you to affiliate dashboard. Here you will see what you will get when you start promoting Redbubble. You say get an audience, clan and aim into Redbubble. They get to shop awesome stuff designed by independent artists. You get a cut of each sales the artists make money too. Everybody is happy. Everybody win. Let's do it this. So you make money by referring people, and the people you refer to, they make money. So as you can see here, they make up to 30% from every purchase. The people you drive to Redbubble, they make some commission. So when you send people to Redbubble, you make some commission while they make some commission. Let me read everything out so that you will see everything. Say easy sign up with a simple application process and one-stop approve. It all aboard the bullet train to any town. Potent promotion. Choose the product that click with your audience. Use your gorgeous creative accent and take advantage of your leverage. Promo calendar. Boom. And at the bottom it says sweet reward. up to 10% commission with a 30 days attribution windows plus bonus incentive opportunity. Wow, right? Have a have we piqued your interest? Find out more in the FAQ below and feel free to hit us up at affiliate@redbubble.com. You can hit them up like they are saying here and to get to know what their affiliate program is all about and contact them and see what they are really offering. So that is it. And if you go to the bottom too, you can see the section that says jobs. You can see that they have jobs. They have jobs with Redbubble. You can go and apply for jobs too if you want. And yeah, but I'm going to end the video here because I just say I want to show you how you can make money from Teespring and Redbubble. So you saw everything and you know how everything works. So all you just need to do now is to go and take action and start making money with Redbubble or Teespring. So guys, thank you very much if you watched this video to the end, and I'm going to say thank you a lot if you really watch it to the end, and comment if you have any question or if you have any difficulties fixing or trying to create your account or trying to start making money. So I said at the end of the video I will show you how you can drive free traffic to those websites. So to drive traffic, you need to go and create a free Instagram account. Create a free Instagram account that is exactly with the niche that you are using on your Redbubble or your Teespring account. So all you just need to do, go to Instagram, create your Instagram account and start using your Instagram account to start generating income. So you just need to link your Teespring account to your Instagram, so you start posting all those products that you have on your Teespring account. And when people click on those links, you get paid for just that. So that is how it works. All you just need to do is to go and create a free Instagram account, and when people click on that link, you make some commission. So that is how it works, guys. It's very simple and you can take action with this method. So all you just need to do, create a free Instagram account, start posting all those products that you have on your Teespring or Redbubble account on your Instagram account, and you get paid for just doing that. That is all you just need to do. You can create your Instagram account, create your Facebook page too. So with these two websites, you will be able to drive free traffic to your Teespring page. So when people click on your Teespring page, they see your product, they like it, like they have already fell in love with it on Instagram or on Facebook, they will pay you for that. So more people you drive to your website and more people that is taking action like buying your product, you get paid for that. So it's very simple. All you just need to do is to go and take action and start using the method to start making money with Teespring and with Teespring or Redbubble. So all you just need to do, go to Redbubble, create your account, and go to Redbubble, create your account, and go to Teespring, create your account, and you go to Instagram or other social network that you really want to create your page on, and you drive free traffic to that place. Just keep on posting every day about that particular project or about that particular design or about that particular fashion that you are into on your Teespring or Redbubble account, and you will make money. If it's mask, you are creating mask design, it's okay. You create your mask design and upload it on Teespring. Create your t-shirt design, upload it on Teespring or Redbubble. Anyone, just do that and you will make money for this. So this is an easy way and a legit way that people are using to make money today. I don't know what you are going to use to make money, but I am making this video because I know with this method you can make some money online. So all you just need to do is to go and apply this method and start using it to make money online. So I'm going to end the video here. I've showed you the free traffic you can use, which is Facebook and Instagram, that you can go and post and constantly, not just posting one day, but constant post, and you will make money for that. So thank you very much, guys, if you watch it to the end. And I want to say thank you again And I want to end the video here, guys. Don't forget to check me out on Instagram. I am Rick Power. On Facebook, I am Rick Power. On Twitter, I am Rick Power. So I'm going to end the video right now. Thank you very much for watching, and peace out. See you soon, and bye bye.